Hello ladies, welcome to my makeup corner. I am starting off with a makeup primer. I am using Too Faced Hangover, even though I forgot to show it, but you can see that it's already making a difference in my skin. Next, it's Boiing from Benefit Cosmetics in number 2. And this step is really important when we're going to do a smoky eye, especially for those of us who have dark circles. So what I'm doing is that I'm canceling out all my dark areas and I am blending it into my skin so it looks natural and doesn't look cakey. And this helps our smoky eye be more beautiful and clean, and so that our dark circles are, or our smoky eye doesn't look bigger than it should, right? So next, a great foundation, Smashbox Studio Skin. I think this is a 2.2, I don't remember. Check out the box so to see the right color. And now I'm starting to work on my eyebrows. And I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills in chocolate, and I'm gonna do my whole brow really fast because that always takes super long with my eyebrows because I'm such a perfectionist. And there we go. Next, Flirt from Tarte Cosmetics, and we're gonna use a light like latte color and then like a cappuccino. So we start off with that light brownish, so we can give some dimension to our lid, and then with this darker brown, this latte color that I already baptized them. I don't know what colors they are. I don't have the names in here, but just pat the color on your lid, and don't worry about being perfect right now because we're gonna blend it out and then we're gonna continue applying more color. This is just to add dimension to the look. So as you can see, I'm only patting the color so we can have more pigment so it looks better. And now I'm gonna go in with a blending brush, and this is a BH Cosmetics blending brush, if I remember correctly. It's a number 9. I love this set. You can find it at Ulta, and it's amazing because you can add color, but also you can blend it with that same brush. And now I'm going in with a smaller brush and applying color in my lower lid, and just make sure to blend it out. Apply it close to the lash line and blend it. And we are gonna use the Morphe by Jaclyn Hill palette. This is Armed and Dangerous, and we're gonna use that perfect, beautiful brown. I love this palette. I think it's one of my favorite palettes. I love the pigment on this palette specifically. I think the colors are so beautiful, and then they're so pigmented. I love that you apply the color and it doesn't move. So sometimes it takes a little longer to blend it out, but I think that's perfect because you can do it. It's just that the color stays in place so it doesn't move around like others or totally disappears. So you just go in, you blend it in, and you can see the color is still there. So that's why I love this palette. So now we're gonna add more color to the corner of the lid, and this is to continue giving dimension to our eyes. And then just apply color at the corner and then blend it out. I like to have color only on my lid, and then my upper lid I like to have it a little bit more, have lighter colors. And so just make sure, depending on your lid, it's gonna look best. So try just to leave it like that. And then this is one of my favorite pencil slash markers, and it's from Pixi, and I am having trouble showing my pencil marker. It's from Pixi Beauty. You can find it at Target. It's very, very inexpensive, and it's a great product. It's a 2-in-1, so you don't have to have a lot of products, and it's amazing, long lasting. I use it every single day, especially the marker. It's just very pigmented, and it doesn't move, it doesn't disappear, it just stays there all day. And yes, who doesn't want a marker that works? Yeah, I do. So just make the wing. So I'm just applying a very thin eyeliner, and I'm trying to perfect it right there, and it worked perfectly. And now Bang Mascara by Benefit Cosmetics. This is a great mascara. I've been showing you on my Instagram every week a mascara that you should try, and this one is amazing. I totally love the wand. It's so easy. It just grabs every eyelash so perfectly. And so you can see the difference right now. I'm gonna look down, and you can see how long and full my eyelashes look. So this is I love it because I can see immediately if a mascara works or not, because my eyelashes are long. And now, because I want to make them fuller, I'm gonna add these amazing Flawless from Velour eyelashes. And now I'm gonna add some color with Pixi Beauty by Morello, and I'm applying Veil under my eyebrow, and it's just a very natural shimmery vanilla. I love vanillas, and especially this one, it just seems like you're lit from within. And that's kind of the whole thing with this look, that we have these amazing smoky eyes and then just a natural glow. And then we're gonna follow it with Pop Beauty Contour 101, and I am sculpting my face with this trio, and you can find this product at Rite Aid. It's super inexpensive, and it's amazing. I have all three, and they're all awesome. I love them, and you can see how beautiful the color just blends in into my skin. So we're just contouring the whole face, just cheekbones, and now I'm gonna start working a little bit on my nose, and very natural color looking. Next, I'm applying Too Faced Born This Way concealer, starting out with golden beige, and now this is nude. I'm applying both of those colors just to perfect my look, and also because I want to give an edge to my smoky, because I want my eyes to look bigger and wider. So I'm just going over it with my makeup sponge, Real Techniques. This is an amazing sponge too. I tried them many years ago when they came out, and I really didn't like them, but now that I tried again, they're amazing. They just blend it out, and especially that side of the sponge, it's just perfect for your face. So try it out. You can find that one at Ulta, Target, wherever. They're everywhere now. And now I'm gonna go in and start applying my blush. This is Promise, and this is like a peachy coral, beautiful with a smoky, with a brown smoky. And then this is one of my current obsessions in highlighters. This is from Flesh, and the color is Startle. And like I was telling you guys, like this look is a lit from within. Look how beautiful it looks, just so natural. It looks like it's my skin. You know, my skin isn't as beautiful, but all these products just make an amazing combination and perfect skin. And now I'm gonna finish it off with Too Faced Tutti Frutti Dreamsicle gloss. It's like a peachy tone with golden undertones, and we're gonna set the whole makeup with Morphe makeup spray. Smells amazing, and just covers the whole face perfectly. So girls, this is our smoky eye for today. I hope you like it. Kisses for you.